Hello everyone, it's Mo from AAA Drive School. Today we're back at Pakenham VicRoads. What we're going to be doing is we'll be taking you through a new test route and showing you some of the updates in the area. We will also show you some of the more common mistakes that people make when they go for their test. So if you enjoy the video, if you like our previous videos as well, make sure you subscribe to the channel to help us make more videos.
Can you put the car on power on mode, please? Do you know how to put it on power mode?
So is that the same as ignition?
Yes, it's ignition, yes.
So no brake, just press the power button.
Some vehicles, with one push, it will be on power button straight away. But some vehicles, you have to push it 2 times.
Okay.
First time it shows accessories, the second time it shows power button, power on. All right, now indicator right, please. Left, off, turn the hazard lights on. Turn them off. Show me your front and rear demisters, please.
Front, rear.
Show me your handbrake or park brake. Show me your horn. Do your wiper and washer, please. Turn the headlights on, please. High beam. Back to low beam. And the last question will be, the officer will go to the back of the car and they will ask you to press the brake, or they say the brake lights. Off. Thank you. Okay. Officer will come and sit in the car and ask you to start the engine. Okay. When you're ready, start the engine, please. When you're ready and safe, move out, and at the end, we're turning right. We're going to the new testing route, where the route was just started, and it might take a while.
So it's obviously going to be a lot more busy on a weekday when you come for your test here in the car park. So did you say we're turning right?
Yeah, turn right at the end. Up here, we don't need to give it to the pedestrian who crossing this road, but we need to give it to the pedestrian who crossing that road we're entering into. And also, up here, it's very important. As soon as you see the vehicle is turning in there, don't move. Means it's not safe that far to move out of the giveaway if you see someone coming from the right side. We're turning right at the end. Okay, they might ask you to turn right, they might ask you to turn left. If they say turn right, there is a pedestrian crossing there. Make sure if the pedestrian is there, you can fit the car in this lane, not tail of the car be out of this lane. You need to give it to the pedestrian if there is one, and then you move.
Yeah.
We're making a U-turn at the roundabout, so up there, if they ask you to turn right, up here, they will ask you to make a U-turn at this roundabout. Again, we need to be mindful of pedestrians here. What's the speed limit here? Do you know?
I believe it's 50 because we haven't seen a sign.
That's
Is that right?
So on the street there is no sign, it's 50, regardless of the length of the road or width of the road.
Now if it is 50, do we have to go 50?
Yes, no, yes, if it is safe so. You allowed to go up to 10 down, but not 1 up. At the next street, we're turning right, but no, because sometimes it's not safe to go. For example, in this street now we are entering into, it's not possible to go even more than 35, because the car is parked here and there, and the street is pretty short.
If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to us as well to help us make more videos in the future. And if you have your test coming up, if you live in Southeast Melbourne and you have a test in Pakenham, Mitcham, Heatherton or Frankston, visit our website at AAADriveschool.com.au and see how we can help you out.
We're turning right at the end. Do reverse parallel park to the Jeep. That vehicle is not really Jeep, but some officers they call it Jeep. However, it's Suzuki.
It looks like a Jeep.
Yeah, but when they say Jeep, if you see this vehicle, because it's parked here all the time, just officer means this one.
How long do we have to do the reverse parallel park?
Maximum 2 minutes time. Up to 4 movements, 2 minutes time and 7 meters to go reverse. That's perfect. When you're ready and safe, move out, please. It's a bit tricky here. Make sure to not touch the line, or if you're feeling you touching the line, you just signal left and just go to the left. Yes. Up here, you don't have to go fast. It is 50, the speed limit in this road, but it's not possible to go that fast.
This is why I was asking before. Some students, they think just because it's 50, it means they have to go 40 or 45, even in a small street.
At the next street, we're turning left. Yes, you are right. Yes, the maximum speed limit is 50 on the back streets, if it is safe so. We're turning right at the end. So in here it's a bit tricky as well. So lots of people thinking, oh, we just need to look to the right and to the left. But the cars coming in sudden from the front, you need to give way to them because they are on main road already. So yeah, even you don't give way to the left because the left they have give way. However, we need to give way to the right, to the front, to the left. But still, if someone is on the left, they have give way. They have to give way to their way. I mean, to the right and to their left side. But it's very important to look to the front. Don't miss the front.
So anyone that's on the road, we need to give way to.
At the traffic lights, we're turning left, like what you just done.
Yeah, exactly.
It shouldn't happen.
Was this a safe gap?
No, no, that was not safe at all. At the test, that's immediate termination.
That's right.
Yeah, don't rush when you have giveaway or stop sign. Don't rush. Okay, another tricky things on these traffic lights. Most of the learners, they're thinking it's 2 lanes. No, it's 1 lane. Stay right in the middle of the lane. Don't worry how many cars waiting behind you. We're turning right at the next street. And also, if someone is stop on the left side or right side, please don't go next to them. Just stop behind them because it's considered as 1 lane. We're turning right at the next street. And this street is one of the trickiest of this places in Pakenham VicRoads testing routes. Some officers, they ask you to do reverse parking up here, for example, and they ask you to pull over and stop somewhere here. And see, sometimes the car is parked there, and when the car is not there, it's very safe to stop. But some learners, they're thinking, oh, it's not safe here to stop. Yes, it is safe. It's not on the corner. It is safe spot. You need to stop if it is safe. If you miss there, you stop somewhere here. So make sure when they ask you to pull over and stop to the curb, as soon as possible, pull over and stop if it is safe. So if it is not safe, don't worry about the officer if they just keep telling you stop, stop, stop. You need to find a safe spot to stop.
The safety is not just the officer's responsibility, it's your responsibility. You're the driver as well.
Exactly.
You need to make sure.
You cannot blame the officer to tell you, oh, you screwed me up.
Yeah.
They don't take the responsibility anyway. They don't take the responsibility for it. At the end, we're turning right. Where it is safe, do a 3-point turn, please. Where it is safe, pull over and stop at the curb, please. Okay, I would stop there. If I stop there, no car is parked opposite side.
Yep.
So another car can go easy and pass us. So this is not wrong, but try to stop somewhere to let traffic to flow.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, when you're ready and safe, move out. At the end of the street, we're turning right.
So here we have a stop sign. Sometimes students stop here behind the stop sign.
Okay, it's two reasons they make that mistake. One, the line is not clearly appeared. Two, the learners thinking they need to stop behind the sign. No, that's wrong. We don't need to stop behind the sign. The sign could be on the corner, right on the corner of the street, or maybe 15 meters back. So we need to stop behind the line, about 2 meters. About 2 meters means from 1 meter to 2 meters. Always stop behind the line. We're turning left at the roundabout. At the traffic lights, we're turning right. So obviously this is shared lights or common lights. The shared lights are common lights. As we explained before, when the round one is green, we move in the middle, give way to the oncoming traffic, give way to the pedestrians. If their lights green, then you move when it is safe. So But if you're stuck in the middle of the intersection, you didn't have chance when the light become red, oncoming traffic, they have to stop, then you can turn. Even the light is red, you are in the middle of the intersection, then you can move. We're turning left at the next street.